Google aims to put massive AI data centers in space. This is not science fiction. This is something they are actually working on. This is called Project Starcatcher. And the gist is they want to put data centers in space, they want to connect the data centers with satellites, and they want to power the satellites with solar energy. So here are the interesting bits from this announcement. In the right solar orbit, a solar panel can be up to 8 times more productive than on Earth. So as solar panels continue to get better, to get more efficient, then you couple that with actually putting them in space where they are up to 8 times more productive than being on Earth. All of a sudden you have plentiful energy. And that's the key. Down here on Earth, it seems like the biggest bottleneck is energy production, especially in the United States. Apparently, there are data centers being built out and completed that can't even be powered properly. Satya Nadella just talked about his data center that is built out and some of the GPUs can't even be turned on yet because they simply don't have the power. And so this futuristic vision of putting data centers in space could solve it. But of course, when you're training models, when you're running inference on models, there needs to be high data throughput. That means all of the chips need to communicate with each other very, very quickly. And if you're putting data centers in space and there's a lot of distance between them, that might get very hard, especially because you can't simply hardwire them together. So instead, they're going to use satellites, closely coupled clusters of these satellites, to beam signal between the different arrays. According to the announcement, this approach would have tremendous potential for scale and also minimizes impact on terrestrial resources. So we're just getting started building out these massive data centers here on Earth, and Google and many others at this point are already thinking about how do we actually build them in space. And for